Hey there ladies, it's Susan with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have our 4th Bundle to Go card for Colorful Seasons. I'm marrying it with Designer Series paper from Painted Harvest. I just thought those pumpkins were super cute. I did see a card very, very similar to this on Pinterest and also on one of my other demonstrators' websites using these papers and the chair. So I've changed it a little. And of course, you can change it as well. So let me just show you how we put this one together. I thought because the Designer Series paper last month was the buy 3, get 1 free, why not do some cards that showcased the paper? So here we go. Alright, so when you get your kit, a lot of it is just layering up the pieces. I used Very Vanilla for the base because that's the color in the DSP. You have a piece of Early Espresso with a hole in it. That's the one you're going to run the chair die through, okay, to get the chair for the embellishment here. Then these pieces are just going to get layered right on top of one another. And I want to show you the back of this paper is really cute acorns. So if you don't think it's too busy, you could always layer up your acorns and your pumpkins in your chair. But that was a little too busy for me, so I went with the yellow with the pattern on it. Okay, so you just need your snail and a couple of dimensionals and we'll get to go. So go ahead and put this background pattern on the front of your card. Just like that. Then layer up your pumpkin piece. And if you want your frames a little bit thinner, you can always trim them down. Okay. And this one I'm going to snail on direct. And I'm just checking that I have kind of equal framing in that corner. Okay, next comes your ribbon. This is the Old Olive Mini Chevron ribbon. And we're just going to take this right through the card. Now, I'm going to make sure that your ends are pretty much even where you want to tie your bow. So I'm just going to cross these here. And this mini chevron ribbon is so soft cotton that it's really easy to work with. There's no stiffness in it. So you'll find that you can tie bows and knots in it really easily. And it's not too heavy either. Okay, so once you have that, and you can adjust it around your card a little bit if you want it more to one side like I do, and then you just bring your two tails up and trim them at the same time to get an even tail on each end. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and layer up the Very Vanilla and put your chair on. And I just put snail across the back of that chair. You could probably put a little up here too. Or you go ahead and get your liquid glue out and attach it. That's just going to go right on that piece. And then I'm going to use dimensionals to put that on, just so it goes up and over that ribbon that's tied there. Now the ones I've seen online of other people that have cased this card, some of them put Happy Birthday on the front with a little tag. I've seen it with Happy Thanksgiving, Thankful for You. What I did was, when I cut my background paper, I had this extra strip. And since I'm using the muted pattern, I put this at the bottom. And then I came in with our stamp set with the Thinking of You, which is a tiny stamp. And I'm just putting it down here on that piece of Designer Series paper. So you've got this whole piece inside your card to write your note to whoever you want to give your greeting to. And you can really use the card for any occasion. So that's that. Then I'm just going to bring in the envelope, and I'm using the small leaf stamp. I'm just going to add some leaves here to the envelope. One on the front, a couple on the back. Just have a little fun. Okay, so pretty simple, lots of layers. You got to trim out that one chair to use, and you've got a multi-purpose, easy to create and copy card. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is number 4, 2 more to go in the coming months, and I hope you enjoy. Happy stamping, everybody!